Now that we've set the stage, let's introduce a new concept: algorithms, often shortened to algo. An algorithm is a clear, step-by-step set of instructions designed to solve a problem or complete a task. Think of it as a recipe. Just like you follow steps to bake a cake, an algorithm follows steps to reach a specific result. There are a few key points to keep in mind. Precise. Each step in an algorithm is clear and exact, leaving no room for ambiguity. Definite end. Just like a recipe, an algorithm finishes after a certain number of steps, delivering a result. Input, output. An algorithm takes input, like ingredients in a recipe, and transforms it into an output, like a baked cake. Understanding algorithms is essential because they are the backbone of how AI processes data and makes decisions. As we continue, we'll dive deeper into how these algorithms work and why they are so critical in AI. Building on our understanding of algorithms, let's look at how they function in the context of AI. Algorithms are essentially the brains behind AI. They help machines learn from data and make decisions. For example, learning patterns. There are algorithms that help AI predict what you might like, such as Netflix recommendations, by analyzing your viewing history and preferences. Finding solutions. Other algorithms help AI solve problems, like finding the best route on a map, which involves a bit of math to calculate the quickest or shortest path. In summary, algorithms are what guide machines to think and act intelligently. They take the data, process it, and make decisions based on the instructions they've been given, just like following a recipe.